Hi loves, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we are making some delicious chicken legs in the air fryer. I will list all the ingredients and their right quantity in the description box below for easy access as usual, so please do check them out. I'll start by cleaning my chicken. I am going to be cutting all the visible fat off, and I'll be making 2 of these chicken legs. After trimming all the fat off, I'm going to be dipping the chicken leg into hot water, and there is a hard yellow covering at the tip of the leg. This is sometimes easy to peel off but sometimes difficult, but when you dip it in hot water like I'm doing, it's very easy to peel off by hand or just with a scrape of your knife. After doing this, I'm going to be washing my chicken legs with some lime. You can use lemon as well. After they are nicely clean, I'm going to be cutting some incision in them to make sure the seasoning I'll be using will penetrate nicely into the muscles of the chicken. And for the spices for this recipe, I'm going to be using all dry spices or ingredients. I'll be using some dry parsley, red pepper flakes, paprika, smoked paprika, onion, garlic powder, turmeric powder, ginger powder, black pepper, cumin, and some salt. I'm going to be mixing everything together nicely until they are well incorporated. After that, I'm going to be drizzling some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons on my chicken, just to allow the dry spices to stick onto the chicken well. And now it is time to sprinkle the dry spices onto the chicken. I'm just going to use my hand. After that, I'm going to just massage it nicely to allow it to penetrate into the skin of the chicken. After that, I'm going to be covering it with a plastic wrap, and I'm going to be leaving this in the refrigerator for overnight or for 24 hours. You can do yours for about few minutes or for hours, but I always want to marinate my chicken overnight. That way the flavors are going to be nicely developed. So this is going to be going in the refrigerator for overnight, and this is the next day. So I'm just going to take off the plastic wrap, and I'm going to be placing this in my air fryer. And I'm going to be setting the air fryer to 370 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm going to be turning it halfway along the cooking. After the cooking time, this is how our chicken legs look. They look beautiful, and the spices, so much flavors going on here. And this is our chicken leg. You can serve this with some jollof, some rice, or just eat this, but eat it with some vegetable, and that is perfect as well. Thank you so much for watching this simple recipe with me, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!